How to create your own AI influencer in less than 5 minutes and make money with it. Welcome back to our channel. In today's digital age, the world of influencer marketing has evolved beyond human limitations. In this video, we'll explain to you in a few simple steps how to create your own AI influencer from scratch. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So let's go straight to the point. How to create an AI influencer. Creating a virtual influencer is a straightforward process. Simply follow these steps to create your own AI influencer for Instagram or any other social media platform. So sit down and watch till the end. The easiest and faster way to create an ultra-realistic AI influencer is RenderNet. Go to the RenderNet.ai website and create an account for free. This will give you a few initial credits to create your model. Sign in and click on the Studio tab on the left side panel. Here you will find a range of models to select from. Select the model to create a realistic image of an AI influencer. Choose Epic Realism. Now enter the descriptive prompt of the model you wish to create in the prompt box. You may keep tweaking the prompt till you get the desired image. Download image. Once your model is generated, click on it to download. To create more images, go in the pop-up window, select Face Lock. Now you can create multiple images with the same face, using different prompts mentioning different poses, backgrounds, clothes, lighting, etc. To make your model an AI influencer, simply create an Instagram or any social media account and upload these pictures. You can create many more images as required and keep posting to build your fan following. We have put in the description of this video the standard template of the initial prompt for creating your AI influencer model. In the character description, you can mention specific features to create a unique model. This can include eye color, hair color, age of the influencer, ethnicity, background scene, etc. Along with the face lock feature, you can select the control net feature to maintain the same pose throughout all images. You can further edit and enhance the generated images using other AI tools such as Pixlr, Imagen AI, and Upscaler. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe this channel. And if you need any clarification about any step of the process, don't hesitate to drop your question in the comment section.